Hello, I'm José Pepin. I'm a teacher at La Salle College School of Fashion, Arts, and Design. Before we start, I'd like to answer a question that I'm asked constantly. Isn't fashion frivolous? Unless we all stop wearing clothes, fashion will remain a necessity. Whether it's the most basic white t-shirt or an extravagant outfit, this garment's function remains the same, to dress the human body. Add all the criteria you want, such as our needs, wants, budget, self-image, context. We still need this garment to cover our bodies to get out in public. To produce a simple garment, such as a basic white t-shirt, we must go through numerous steps to figure out the quality of the fabric, the thread, the neckline, the colors, the fit, labels, washing instructions, packaging, price, sales points, advertising. This basic t-shirt provided work for dozens of people, and that's only a tiny, tiny little part of what the fashion industry is. Have you noticed how much your fashion style and consuming habits changed in the past year? Whether you opted for comfy clothes, homemade hairstyles, eco-friendly cleaning strategies, fashionable or crafty masks, you contributed to fashion evolution. Because fashion is not only what we see in magazines or on runways, but mostly what consumers like you and me decide to wear. So now let me share with you my passion for some of the subjects of the fashion programs. In Fashion Phenomena, we explore the evolution of fashion following a timeline of major events, influential figures, and their impacts on culture using visual presentations, virtual visits, and a variety of learning activities. We also look at objects, more specifically garments, accessories, shoes, hairstyles, hats, and everything related to appearance. We also use a sociological approach to understand the functions of dress in society at different times. As an example, in the late Middle Ages in Flanders, a new social class emerged, the bourgeoisie. They worked for their money instead of inheriting their fortune and titles. On this Van Eyck painting, the outfits worn by the couple are made with an wasteful amount of expensive fabrics and furs. These are indicators of their newly acquired wealth. They're showing off. Today, we still use fashion as an indicator of wealth. Luxury brands know exactly how to tap into this need. Here's an example of a student project done in Fashion Phenomena. She explored how current fashion trends are inspired by ancient Egypt. This type of research allows students to develop useful competencies they will use throughout school and their fashion careers. The following semester in Fashion and Society, we continue to explore fashion evolution by concentrating on the 20th century, by studying fashion designers' contributions, but also the arts, popular culture like television, movies, and music. And we get really, really good at identifying inspiration sources when watching a runway show. Then in the fourth semester, we use all of these competencies in our trends class, where we observe and analyze the connection between current events, like politics, the economy, technological advances, the environment, food, architecture, and fashion. Our objective is to forecast how the changing concerns of consumers will impact their lifestyles, their values, and eventually their consuming behaviors. And this is how we'll figure out what fashion products they will need and want in the coming seasons. So if you thought we needed a crystal ball to predict the future, well, now you know better. I hope this short overview will encourage you to learn more about these subjects and that we'll have the pleasure to meet in one of my classes very soon. So have a great visit.